Alright, so these ones, they came out alright. Now, since they're Christmas themed cookie cutters, we won't be using them at the moment, but at least they're ready for this year's Christmas when it comes up. So I'm going to have to do some more, hopefully for Easter or something like that, so we can actually make some cookies and show you guys what they come out like. But as for these prints, they seem to be pretty successful. So yeah, we'll try again with another lot and go from there. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.